Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Chatbase account in 2026. Whether you want to build an AI chatbot for your website, documents, or business, getting started is quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Chatbase website. Once you're on the home page, click the sign up or get started button. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can continue with your Google account or sign up using your email address, depending on the options available. If you're using your email, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Then click Create Account to continue. Now, check your inbox for a verification email if one is required. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once your account is verified, sign in to Chatbase and complete the short setup process. You can create your first chatbot by uploading documents, adding a website, or connecting another data source. And that's it. You've successfully created your Chatbase account, and you're ready to start building your AI chatbot. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.